Hello my beauty queens, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to do an eye look. Sorry about the lighting, I'm at work and it's dark outside. I live in Los Angeles, and as you can see on the news, you see all the fires and the smoke and the ash and everything like that. So let's just take a moment of silence for these cities that's house are burning down. That is like so unbelievable. So let's just take a moment of silence, keep them in our prayers, your thoughts, positive vibes, whatever you believe in. So yeah, a moment of silence. All right, my beauty queens, with that being said, today I'm going to be focusing on a pretty grunge Hudabeauty palette. I did a video showcasing on the eyeshadow palettes that I will be using for the month of January. And this is one of them. If you happen to miss that tutorial or video, I will link it down below. But how pretty is this? This is nice. And these everyday colors. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'm going to take a blending brush and I'm going to go in with Fearless right here. And I'm going to just stamp first. You see, this is very pigmented. And then just start blending. So I'm going to do circular motions and windshield motions. These blend like butter too. I'm happy I picked up this palette. Alright, so we got that blended out. I'm going to go in with the color. I want to use a color I haven't used. But yeah, so I'm going to go in with this Norvina right here. I'm going to put that in the outer corner. I'm going to use a different brush. I was going to say the same brush. I'm going to use a different brush. This one right here, and we're going to put Norvina. No, you know what? I'm going to put Renegade, this black smoky color right here, in the outer corner. And it's pigmented, just pat that right there. Look how pigmented that is. So I'm just placing that where I want it. Ooh, that's pigmented. Take another brush and blend that out. So I'm going to take a fluffy brush and just blend that black out. I want to keep it like on the outer corner. So yeah, we have that blended out. Look at that. Scoot up a little bit so you can see. Alright, so I just got the black in the outer corner crease, and I'm going to go back in with Fearless. I had Norvina on my outer corner, so I'm going back in with Fearless for my, oh, this is pretty. And I'm gonna take my finger and we're gonna go in with Hyphazert right here. If I'm butchering the name, just let me know. We're gonna go in with this color right there. I'm gonna put it on my finger. Look at that, oh my goodness. And we're gonna just put that on the eye. My earring kept hitting the AirPod. I don't know if that sound gonna come off on the video, but I moved it out the way. So this is like a smoky, purplish, pinkish eye. How pretty is that? All right, we're gonna do a little blending. Circular motions. I'm gonna go on my brow bone with, I'm going my brow bone with Liberty right here. This brush, I'm not adding no product. I'm gonna just blend this line right here. I'm gonna add some more of that Hyphazert purple, pink color. All right, so this is what we're looking like. Easy, pretty, like a purplish, smoky eye, if you could see it. Trying to get up close in the camera. And then I'm gonna just take a color to go in my inner corner, and it's gonna be this heroin shade right there. This heroin shade right here. Did I say outer corner? I meant inner corner. Alright, so this is a finished look. So I'm gonna go off camera, I'm gonna do the other eye, you know the routine, and I'll be right back. Alright, my beauty queens, I'm back with the finished look. This is what we're looking like. I did a really deep lipstick, and I went in, I decided to do a smoky purple eye with the pretty grunge Hudabeauty palette. That's what it looks like. Let me know if you picked up this palette. I think it's very pretty, very versatile. Yeah, I really like these shades in here. You can glam it up, glam it down, everyday neutral look. Whatever you want to do with this palette, you could do. Who don't love a palette like that? It's beginner friendly. And yeah, this is the look. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, tap that notification bell. Check out my YouTube community tab and on my other social sites. Stay safe, stay well. Kisses. Peace out.